Hi Rachel, I'm Elisa. Welcome to my home. Let me show you around.
I am currently standing in our living room, which is essentially the entryway of our home. I've been able to furnish basically this whole room, mostly with secondhand finds. The sofa I found for $250. The original owner paid over $7,000 for it. The drapes are my favorite secondhand find of all time. I just love the colors and the pattern. The original owner paid about $6,000 for them, but I paid only $350.
I really wanted this burlwood coffee table that was completely out of my budget, so my husband and I DIY'd this burlwood coffee table using burl veneer, some MDF, and some glue.
I am standing in our dining room, and when we first moved into the house, this room and the living room, it was just one big room, and I had a really hard time decorating both rooms because I wanted them to be treated separately. So last year, my husband and I built this cased opening to separate the rooms using some 2x4s, drywall, nails, and some casing. And now the dining room is one design and the living room is another design, and it's just so much better because I can treat them as two separate spaces. So previously, the doors that were here were very basic hollow core slab doors that were likely original to the house. So we replaced them with solid wood panel doors. It just really elevates the whole look in here. We are in the nursery, and this room previously used to be my office. We painted the walls this really pretty green by Benjamin Moore, and we actually used a spray painter to paint the walls. The prep for spraying your walls is a lot more intensive and it takes a while, but actually spraying the room all one color took about 15 minutes. I am in our main bathroom, and my husband and I renovated this room about 2 years ago from the studs. This beautiful marble countertop is actually secondhand. I found a really large slab of it on an online marketplace, and I had it fabricated to fit our countertops at a local marble yard. One of my personal favorite DIYs that we've done over the years is this hidden storage cabinet that basically looks like another piece of box molding on the wall, but it actually opens for storage purposes. And to make it a little bit more fun, I installed wallpaper to give it some pattern, and it's really cool because you just wouldn't even know that it's here.